Today is day 1 for extempore. I'm every day going to post one video in YouTube in my private channel just to realize what's happening with me. Very soon I'm going to look around and find out how I looked a few years ago. Maybe I will be 70, 80 or somewhat at a higher age. I would know what my mindset were, what my drawbacks were, and the reason why I am ending up being where I would be, just because I would not be doing what is needed today. Now, it's been 3 4 months then that I have joined Kotak. I've been committing a lot of mistakes, like not calling people, which is being my primary job, not showing that I would be doing job, by not posting CRM, not improving on myself after knowing what all my shortcomings were. And on an average, this video would be around 20 minutes, and I would speak up as much as possible to to throw the maximum of myself. No, it is a way of communicating to myself, to telling a future self of mine, giving a message and showing the past realities of mine. I can read, but I cannot conclude. I can do that, I do that, but when I read the Hindu newspaper, I'm not able to pull the extract. I'm drawn. My brain isn't there when I'm reading that. My sales skills are pathetic. I have spoken to nearly, let's say, around 400 people, and if only I had the sales skill, which I always admired, I always thought of having this one skill of sales. I have seen thousands of videos till now, a couple of hundreds of movies, just to improve my English. I have noticed a same film, same scene from one single film for around 40 50 times, and spent literally around 5 months to 6 months only watching all those videos to improve on myself. I had also started and practice session at my previous home at the rooftop to practice my sales skill by selling the tank, and I once succeeded in selling at a public space, winning a competition. The competition was tough, but I was better. Now, extempore, I'm really good at. I have realized it after a few experiences which I had at the offices at Tata and at Kotak, that I have some skills which none other can match, and that is making stories. I make really good stories and extemporally. Now, from today onwards, I'm going to make some stories, giving my best, and try to be a method actor while I'm selling. My boss's name is Sanjay Mishra. Now, he's been really successful. One of the other thing which I always wanted is, Mishras are usually considered as an lower working class people, working as a security guard or at the same level. But now I realize there are many Mishras who have taken this name, this caste or this race higher. They have risen the bar, and it is my turn to do the same. I'm going to work hard, and I'm going to not stay at a lower space. Naman Mishra, Sanjay Mishra, everyone I have met till now are at a very good space, at a good level, and I can do better. Many people I know would not have been as good as I am right now in their back at their time. I'm not good at interacting with people and closing the deals, but I will give at least 30 to 1 hour daily or 1.5 hour daily until I prove myself that I have improved on my sales. And even though I don't spend much time, I'm still going to pull off the deal. So the reason the where I failed in past sales are: one, fumbling too much, not communicating. There are going to be times when I could have told a better way because those are repetitive words. I could have filled the space by using some more attractive words. I'm going to speak to many people, so my script can remain same while I can still do it. Second skill which I want to have is management. I want to learn to manage, learn to manage people, learn to manage the circumstances while not fumbling and getting the confidence of others. People people have been behaving rudely with me for they not finding a big management skills in me. I would not, I was a big mouth while getting them in, but once they are in, I'm not able to pull a single rupee out of their pockets. Now it means everything I would have done till that time would have been the loss of resources, waste of time, waste of money. Now I want to prove to my management and before I leave this organization that I'm a worthy guy. I want to prove it to myself. Now the books I have read till now are the people who have been successful in the past, and now there is a pattern that they are going to be same. A good article that I was reading today of business Harvard Business School is the people the organizations are failure because the people in the insurance business who are going to sell in the market are a pathetic salespeople, and their leaders are also pathetic salespeople. So I'm not going to be either of the things. I'm going to make my sales team a better one. I'm going to make myself better one by improving on a daily basis. I'm going to make videos as such as this, and watch Anubhav Talks YouTube channel. Bring on the new words. Add 30 vocabularies in my dictionary every day, in my vocabulary every day, and read a couple of books like the one next to me now. Now soon enough maybe YouTube will be charging for uploading these video as well, but the resource which I have today, I rather use it today until it becomes a paid ones. So since right now I have nobody to answer to, I can still do things which I want to. Well, what's my success route? I don't know where my success will take me. I know insurance is a good one, but until I'm a technical guy, I'm not going to exit. I'm not going to stay. I'm not going to get to my comfort zone, and I'm not going to leave until I'm successful. First thing what I have to learn is know what my what company expects from me, note it down and repeat it to myself every day so that I do not fail on that at least. Second thing, to be successful in this line, or to not irritate somebody and complete my job, I need couple of things, like knowing the complete process, how the things are done. Now learn it from seniors and do not make mistake. Do not ask for a favor. Now every favor that I ask, I have to repay it in some or the other ways. If not now, later. So learn the process as soon as possible. Fourth one, and the most important one, is making improvement and knowing where my success is. So the loan which I am applying for, I would spend 10,000 out of it to start my courses and for my fees. So when next year I'm going to apply for my fees, I'm going to apply for minimum 5 exams. So it's gonna cost me a lot of around 5,000 or 6,000 rupees only for my examination fees. So I have to save my money till then. Now, talking about Harish and my competitors, now Prakash is hiring more and Harish is doing good business. Now, what's special about me? Why do I think I am at par of them? I have not got any reasons till now, but I certainly will have a very soon. By improving on myself every day, by improving on my shortcoming every day, very soon I will be employable. I will be worth of company's salary. Now, the topic. The theme of this month is justifying the salary for the month of July or maybe the entire quarter. Now I have sourced 1,02,000 rupees and by the end of this month I would be getting around 140. Now 140, I have to justify my 1,40,000 rupees. I am going to do that by doing the equivalent number of business that would do the same. So I have to do somewhere around 5 lakhs of business to justify my quarter. Now, I expect 1 lakh rupees out of both the pockets of my current LAs, 55,000 about the 2 licenses which I am expecting, and that would make up 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs from the new recruitees which I am going to the 2 new licenses which I'll take by recruiting. Now, what kind of team do I want? I need a team of chartered accountants, a powerful people who could give me money whenever I ask them for. Now, we cannot have a such of people. Now, they are really powerful people and it is tough to get a guy like that. It requires a lot of skills and that's what I'm gunning for. 20 day, I'm going to spend at around 4 hours every day just to improve myself for a month now. I'm going to justify my salary this month for entire quarter. This is my promise to myself and show the progress every day. I would not skip a single day and let's see where the life takes from here. I think that's all for today and I would immediately start working on it. Thank you Vivek Mishra for starting this.